Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we're going to look at AWS Free Tier and AWS Support Plans. One of the reasons startups choose AWS is that you can quickly explore and experiment with different AWS services. Over 60 AWS services come with Free Tier. There are 3 types of Free Tier services. We have services that are always free with certain usage limits. We have services that are free for the first 12 months, from the date you sign up with AWS. Some services offer a time-based free trial for you to quickly experiment and explore the functionality. Okay, I'm on the AWS Free Tier page. At the moment, we can access over 60 AWS services using the Free Tier. There are 3 different options. We have always free, 12 months free, and free trials. First, let's look at the 12 months free services. For example, for Amazon EC2, we have 750 free hours per month for T2 Micro and T3 Micro instances in the first 12 months. For Amazon S3, we have 5 GB storage space, 20,000 GET requests, and 2,000 PUT requests for free in the first 12 months. Then we have the always free Free Tier services with certain usage limits. For example, for Amazon DynamoDB, we have 25 GB storage, 25 provisioned WCUs, and 25 provisioned RCUs for free. For AWS Lambda, we have 1 million free requests and 3.2 million seconds of free compute time per month. AWS Support provides a mix of tools, technology, people, and programs designed to proactively help you optimize performance, lower costs, and innovate faster. There are a few support plans to suit businesses of all sizes. Each plan has different pricing and corresponding resources, such as the size of the support team, response time, emergency handling, and case management. The basic plan is free. It's included for all AWS customers, including Free Tier accounts. So when you first sign up with AWS, you will get a Free Tier account with the basic support plan. It comes with 24/7 access to customer service, documentation, white papers, and support forums. You can access 7 core AWS Trusted Advisor checks for your resources, following best practices to increase performance and improve security. Personal Health Dashboard gives you a personalized view of the health of the AWS services and alerts when your resources are impacted. On top of the basic support plan is the developer plan. It's recommended for experimenting and testing on AWS. It comes with email access to cloud support associates with unlimited cases and 1 primary support. You can access general architectural guidance. For general guidance, there is a maximum of 24 hours response time, 12 hours response time for system impairment. It's billed at a minimum of $29 per month or 3% of your monthly AWS usage. If your monthly AWS bill is over $1,000, you pay 3% in addition to the monthly AWS bill for the developer plan. If your monthly bill is less than $1,000, you pay a fixed $29. Then we have the business support plan. This is usually for small and medium-sized businesses with production workloads. On top of all developer support, you have enhanced technical support with 24/7 phone, email, chat access to support engineers with unlimited cases and contacts. You have different response time for different severity. For example, you have a maximum of 24 hours response time for general guidance, 12 hours for system impairment, 4 hours for production impairment, 1 hour if the production system is down. You can access architectural guidance based on your use case and access to the AWS Support API. You pay a minimum of $100 per month or tiered prices based on your AWS usage. Finally, for the enterprise plan, you get all business support and faster response time for mission-critical systems. You have well-architected reviews, operational reviews, and consultative reviews for your applications in AWS. You have a designated technical account manager (TAM) to help you optimize your AWS. You pay a minimum $15,000 per month or tiered prices based on your monthly usage. It is recommended for mission-critical applications or large enterprises. Please keep in mind, you can only access AWS Support API and full feature of Trusted Advisor with business and enterprise plans. You will only get a technical account manager (TAM) with the enterprise plan. In this episode, We've learned AWS Free Tier services and AWS Support Plans. There are 3 types of free tier services available. They're always free, 12 months free and free trials. You may join one of 4 AWS Support Plans. Their Basic Plan, Developer Plan, Business Plan, and Enterprise Plan. Okay, that's all for AWS Free Tier and AWS Support Plans. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.